Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by importing clips into a new Capcut project and setting 1080p 30 fps to match your target. Once imported, drag the main clip to track 1 and use the playhead to split where scenes change. Trim edges with handles for clean cuts. If you need frame-accurate timing, nudge the clip by 1/2 frame increments. Also, stack B-roll and voiceover on separate tracks so you can mute or swap layers without losing edits. Once your rough cut holds together, refine timing with the ripple and smooth tools so transitions feel natural. Use cut when you want hard edits. For audio, normalize dialogue and lower background music to around -6 dB headroom so speech stays clear, then enable auto-ducking if available. For visuals, apply color correction using lift/gamma/gain or a LUT. If a specific area needs correction, create a mask and grade only that region so skin tones remain consistent. You finish by exporting with H.264 in MP4 and matching the project resolution and frame rate to avoid jitter. Once exported, review the file for /v sync, compression artifacts, and consistent loudness. Re-export with a higher bitrate if needed. If Capcut crashes or lags during export, clear the app cache and temporary files, update to the latest version, and lower preview quality to 1/2. If problems persist, restart the device and try exporting in smaller segments to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.